A couple years ago, I started a tradition of taking the kids for a resort stay at Disney. It gives us a chance to spend some time together, but also hit up some of the shops in Orlando. We get a little back to school shopping done, and we spend some time together. Yeah.
Wait, is it all of our bedrooms?
Yeah.
Did you bring any clothes?
Of course I did.
Can I take?
What do you think? Broden, you like our bed?
Whoa! Whoa! Yay!
Put the phone down. I want you to show me around. All right, you want to start at the beginning? Welcome to Wilderness Lodge.
Welcome to Wilderness Lodge. We're in our room.
So this is a 1-bedroom.
This is the 1 bedroom.
So we have a full kitchen.
Yeah, we have a full kitchen, Mom. Mom, don't do the videoing. And we have this living room, and we have. Wait, is there a bed right here?
I think so. Oh, you know what? Actually, nope. It's the one that comes down. So this one comes down, like the one at Saratoga.
There.
Okay. This is a lockout in case you have more people, but we don't. We have just the 3 of us right now. A little patio.
Yeah. And I have some of my dogs.
Let's check out our view. What do you think?
Yeah. Can we eat there?
Yeah? Okay. Don't stand on the chairs, okay?
So here's the balcony. Wow.
OMG.
Is this beautiful?
Yes. And I don't know why that pool's, oh, the pool's closed because of lightning. We've never been in that pool before.
But it's been here before. I see that thing.
Mhm.
And look, that's where we go.
Ooh, there's the thunder.
Yeah, let's go back
Okay.
inside. So
Let's
we
go back
don't
inside.
Get hit by the finder.
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Why?
Let's go back inside. You want to show them the bedroom? Or the bathrooms?
Don't get hit by the lightning.
He's coming. He's coming. He's got it.
You get that.
Okay. Okay, where's the bathroom? Very pretty.
So you have 2 bathrooms.
Okay, show me.
So 1 is for 1 people and 2 is for 2 people. And we have a tub right here.
So we have a shower, and a
There's a shower right
vanity,
there and there's a tub right here. That's a bedroom.
and a toilet. And then here, it's hubby for the kiddos.
Yep. I want a taquito.
Another vanity. And there's a pocket door here. Shh, no screaming.
He just scared me. Look, Mickey Mouse.
Let me see.
Woo! Mommy, Mickey Mouse.
He wanted to see it. Oh. Shh, Addison, no screaming, please.
His ears. Ears.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh. Mommy!
Yeah. A little desk area here. Not all 1 bedrooms have that. And a nice place to hang
Wait, what?
stuff.
We have two.
Yep, 2 balconies. So here's our balcony for the main bedroom.
Yes. Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. And we're on the 6th floor, so we have this closed in one. You can see like other floors have the,
A roof.
no, they have like the regular balcony. But we're on the top floor, so we get this like solid, which I like.
We're the luckiest.
Well, I don't know about the luckiest, but we're pretty lucky. And we got cowboy.
What?
We got cowboy.
Look, deer.
Yeah, moose.
Moose.
And railroad pass.
Look.
Let's find the laundry room. The laundry room's pretty important. Let's see what's in here.
What?
Laundry. It's right here, buddy. That's the dishwasher. Bubble. I always love what they use. Echoes. And they gave us 2. Normally we only get 1. So I usually use about a half of this per load. And so usually I only do like one load. And then I take it with me. Air conditioning, you think so?
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
I think that
So
was
then let's see what's in here. I think this is just a linen, like a hanging closet. Yeah. So your extra
Wait,
pillow.
this is where you put your special stuff, I think.
Yeah, like if
And
you
then you
have.
lock it.
Yeah, you know what it's called?
What?
It's called a safe. Because you keep things safe in there.
Yeah, that you like.
Yeah. So here,
I can put my dolls in there.
laundry basket, extra
I can
blanket,
put my dolls in
pillow.
I can put my dolls in there because
I don't
they're
think
my
so.
special thing.
I don't think so. I don't want to get them locked in there. Then we can't get them out.
Well, we have a code right here.
But we don't know what the code is. What?
It's unlocked right now.
Pool?
It's unlocked right now.
Yeah. Okay, well, it is thundering and lightning right now, so we're going to unpack our stuff.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll walk around.
Our stuff.
Maybe we'll walk around
Unpack your
inside.
piece of my stuff.
We did bring a little bit.
Go see the thing.
Shh. I did unpack a little bit of, or bring a little bit of like food just for snacks. But they are.
We have
the
knives in here and stuff.
The 1 bedrooms are fully equipped with toaster and cooking stuff. The studios are not. They're kind of like a hotel with a microwave and like a small refrigerator. And a lot of those refrigerators don't have, they're not even like fully functioning. Like they're not fully cold. So that's why I like the 1 bedrooms, because they come with like a bigger fridge. That's an actual fridge and freezer. So, which is also good when you have like leftovers, because you can't fit too much leftovers in the studio refrigerators.
What? That could be the ice cream room and that could be the fruit room. hide again. Wanted to play a game of hide and go seek with me. That's scary. Well, I don't.
He did not bring back real hearts. He brought back chocolate hearts. Isn't that cool?
What do you think?
Yo, what are you then? What would you like to be when you grow up? No. Not a queen.
She's your both.
You're a queen right now. Where's your crown? Oh, so you're in disguise. You're hiding. You're pretending right now that you're not queen. That might be too much. Very aggressive. Can you come here? Can you come in front of me?
That's beautiful. Very well. See, look at mom first. Thank you.
Oh no, they picked it up already. So you take pictures of them and then like this. And like this way. And then you put them all together. And like we make them people. Or well, we make their heads really big and then we put their bodies small and then we make them like this. But yeah, that's
What
fun.
people are these?
Oh, well, Jimmy over there, he's actually an artist like me, and he works here too. And that's his work. And then the mermaid in the middle is like my boss's dog. And then I think these are like friends of him.
Mommy, Mom. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Love you. Mwah.
See you later.
See you later.